So guys, and we have an absolutely crazy leak day. We have the official look at the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Flip 3 5G, and the actual Galaxy Watch 4. Literally, Samsung's major devices that will get announced in the second half of 2021 are officially here. We also have a very concerning news regarding the Galaxy S21 FE that we'll be taking a look at later in the video, but let's get down to the business and take a look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. Now, courtesy of Evan Blass, you can see in this first official press render, the naming is confirmed. It is indeed the Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 5G. Samsung has indeed skipped the second number. This is something that I predicted months ago and it actually happened, and as expected, the Z Flip 3 5G is beautiful. Look at that design. The display is even bigger. We still have dual camera system. It's going to be wide and ultra wide angle lens. I wish there was a zoom lens, but overall I'm really liking this look. Now, looking at the Galaxy Z Fold 3 in a bit more detailed image, you can see we have a brand new design when it comes to the back of the phone. This is Samsung's first device in like 2 years that doesn't have a massive camera bump. It's actually very different from their current design language that they have with their Galaxy S lineup and what we have seen with the Note series. So unlike the S21 series, the camera isn't blending on the side, it's just completely separated. There's still obviously a slight camera bump, which is acceptable. As usual, the whole camera tray and the rings around the camera, they are color coordinated, they are matching the device color. We still have a trusty fingerprint scanner on the side that is inside the power button, which is super snappy. And then for the first time on a foldable phone, there is a S Pen that says Fold Edition. So this is a special S Pen completely designed to work on a foldable display so that it doesn't damage the actual screen. Now on the front, you can see we have a brand new butterfly wallpaper, and interestingly, the front camera is visible in these renders. Even though the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is confirmed to have the under display camera, Samsung is still highlighting that in these renders in order to let people know that this phone indeed has a front camera on this bigger screen as well. Now, as we talked about before, the under display camera quality may not be the best, which is why Samsung still has a traditional selfie sensor on the outer screen. So there we go, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G in full glory. I'm super excited. Now moving on to the next official product that is now leaked, which is the Galaxy Watch 4. My god, so many color options. We've got white, silver, black, bronze/red, yellow. I mean, Samsung is doing incredible job when it comes to the variety. Also, you can see the name is confirmed. Samsung is indeed calling it the Galaxy Watch 4. We've got some more promotional images of the watch, and you can see with the display on, it's got a pretty bezel-less look. It's got the best Gorilla Glass DX Plus protection along with waterproofing, two different sizes, 40mm and 44mm, plus military standard durability. This will be Samsung's first watch ever to rock a 5nm processor along with the brand new Tizen Wear OS. Let me know in the comment section below what color do you like the most. I gotta say the all white/silver look is looking pretty amazing. Now before we move further in the video, I want to give a big shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Raycon. If there is one wireless audio brand that is shaking the electronics industry, that is Raycon. Their new wireless earbuds start at half the price of other premium audio brands. Raycon earbuds comes with some amazing quality audio with 6 hours of playtime, seamless Bluetooth pairing across different devices, a very unique comfortable design that in my opinion has been the best when it comes to workouts. No matter what I do, I just can't shake them off. One of the best thing about Raycon earbuds is that they are being offered in a range of fun colors and patterns with a variety of fit options and no dangling wires or stems. They look super sleek, no wonder why celebrities like Snoop Dogg, Mike Tyson are obsessed with Raycons. Raycon also has a 45-day free return policy, and best of all, if you click on the link in the description or go to buyraycon.com/ztechgear, you'll get 15% off on your Raycon purchase. So don't forget to check out that link in the description and start having that amazing wireless audio experience. Alright, let's take a look at the news regarding the Galaxy S21 FE, and this might not make some of you happy. According to Korean media, the launch for the the S21 FE is indeed postponed for the month of October. Wait, that's not the worst part. The worst part is Samsung might not launch this phone globally. At first, it might only be launched in United States and Europe. Yes, not even in their home country South Korea or Japan. The S21 FE is indeed facing a lot of issues, particularly because of the global chip shortage. Samsung is working on crazy products, but somehow the S21 FE is giving them the most challenge, and Korean media says that Samsung actually considered completely canceling this phone, completely shutting down the production, but because of the popularity of the FE brand, Samsung decided to resume the production for the S21 FE so that they can release it at least in few markets later down this year. So that's all the latest news. Official look at Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Flip 3, and Galaxy Watch 4, Samsung's most awaited devices that are scheduled to come later in the month of August. We have them in the full glory. Let me know what you think about this in the comments section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.